Hello, all you dippers out there. I've got a kayak wintergreen today. My bad. I already did a kayak grape. Kayak wintergreen today. I picked this up and some kayak grape. Walked into a store and Grizzly and Copenhagen are 309 or 319 up here, or 329 depending on which one. They're usually a 10-cent difference. Anyway, so picked up the kayak wintergreen. Um, $1.19 after tax was $1.25. So it's not. I'm about to crack this. I'm not gonna. I don't have my hopes too high. I haven't heard great things about kayak. The thing that got me was the can is green, like the whole can. The top's a sticker. It's plastic. It's made like the beef jerky chew cans. Really flimsy. It's uncracked. So, and this product can cause mouth cancer. I can't even get my fingernail in there because the wrap is plastic. So I'm about to use a knife, cut this open. Alright. And there we go. It is correct. Kayak wintergreen. This one isn't as full as the other one was when I opened it, but you can see here's some wintergreen. It's not a very strong smell. Okay, I just spit out a lip and washed it down, so ignore my spitting. Yeah, we're about to pop a lip into this. Alright, there we go. Um, tastes a lot like Longhorn or Shithorn, but it's kind of like Grizzly actually, a little bit more like Grizzly and Shithorn. I definitely put it above Shithorn, but below Grizzly and Copenhagen. I give this 6 out of 10 maybe. Actually, I'm gonna give it a 5 because the can's so shitty. If the can was a little bit better, I would like that. Oh, it says 100% domestically grown tobacco. No, it doesn't. It says domestically grown tobaccos. Multiple. What's the kayaks? The other little grape say. Tobaccos. Multiple tobaccos. It's not terrible for the price, but not the best dip out there. Yeah, so check it out. Kayak with the green. Long cut, more snuff. Alright. Have a good afternoon, YouTube.